Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to enter the GPS coordinates in the Google Maps application. So, the rule is that latitude comes first, then we enter the longitude. So at first latitude, then longitude. We have to use dots instead of the commas if you want to divide the number itself. And if you want to divide latitude and longitude, we have to use a comma. The positive number is northeast, negative south and west. So, let me show you, for example, I've prepared for myself the Eiffel Tower. So we have tab 48.8584, and then we have to add a comma here and 2.2945. Now we have the tab search, and as you can see, here we are exactly on the Eiffel Tower. That's it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and see you next time.